always insightful to hear feedback from our learners who are deeply engaged with the program over the past 5 days. I will now call upon Mr. Gajanan Haldankar to share his experience and thoughts on this activity.
Good afternoon everyone present here, respected leaders, all the research scholars and faculty members attending this 5 days wonderful research methodology workshop. So first of all, I would like to congratulate the organizing committee consisting of Amita ma'am, Kavi Shirokar, and all the members involved in this organizing this 5 days research methodology workshop. So from my perspective, this workshop, I have been attending many workshops, but every workshop has been giving me a new learning. Especially this workshop, the resource persons were wonderful, highly knowledgeable, and they have explained some concept which I was not aware of. Like starting from the second day which I attended, Koisa has nicely explained which theories to be used. So I was not aware, like I was in general opinion there only one theory has to be used. One theory in the sense, one kind of theory. But he has explained us the questionnaire can be done from two perspectives. Means organizational level and customer level. We were not aware. Like, I think most of you must not be aware that we can integrate the questionnaire together for organizational and individual. Then that was a learning. Then Eli sir had nicely explained all the concepts properly. I'm sure all will agree that he had taken so much efforts in explaining each query which all the students, basically faculty members, were raising each and every queries, and he was nicely explaining. So I cleared many doubts from my research, what exactly the statistics part involved. So overall, it is a very helpful and wonderful workshop. I really had a great learning. Thank you so much, Saraswat College.
I kindly call upon Ms. Preeti Gulizar to share her experience on our activity.
Good afternoon everyone. So my experience about this FTP was very nice. All the resource people, they have explained the fundamental concepts to the modern AI technology, how we can use, and also with regard to the SPSS and Jumbo and the different data sets. Like I think it is very beneficial if you are going to start the foundation in research. It was a very good, and thank you Saraswat College and organizing committee for having such a wonderful FTP, which was very important. I have learned so much that I can confident to even to teach the research methodology people. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I will invite Dr. Amita Chandra, our esteemed active coordinator, to read a brief report of the program, summarizing the section and valuable inputs from our resource persons.
I wanted some more feedback. Can you come and read a minute?
Good afternoon. So I am Ms. Sally, Assistant Professor from DNS College. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers, Saraswat College, for organizing such a wonderful 5 days activity. I have not entered my, not yet started my research journey, but I think attending this session has been very fruitful to me, and I look forward for enrolling towards or going towards my research journey, as mainly because of resource persons they had, very patient one, kind enough to answer all our queries, and really they were very highly knowledgeable. So thank you all, and thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am, for your comprehensive report and for the dedicated efforts as the FTP coordinator. As we conclude this journey, I would like to invite Mr. Kavit Shirudkar, a key member of the organizing committee, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of SAS Sridhara Kapur College of Commerce and Management Studies, it is my privilege to extend heartfelt gratitude to all who made this FTP on data analysis in social science and a great success. Firstly, I extend sincere thanks to our esteemed resource person, Professor Rajshekharan Pillai, for sharing invaluable insight and experience making this workshop enriching and enlightening. Thank you, sir. I also express my gratitude to our principal, Professor Santosh Patkar, and Vice Principal, Ms. Shruti Borkar, for their guidance and constant support throughout this event. Special thanks to our dedicated workshop coordinator, Dr. Amita Shamba, whose efforts in planning and coordinating were instrumental to the program's smooth flow. My thanks goes to the organizing committee for their hard work and commitment and also managing the event very successfully. Finally, my thanks goes to all the participants. Without them, it is not possible. Thank you, everyone. And once again, thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. And thank you, everyone, for joining us for the valedictory function. And without further delay, we shall continue with the further session. And it's a request to all the participants to kindly